Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 8. Security. Lesson 8 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course covers data security and compliance on AWS. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data Security Overview, an introduction to data security concepts and the importance of securing data to protect against unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security threats. 2. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. An in-depth look at AWS IAM, a service that enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. You'll learn about IAM users, groups, roles, and policies. 3. AWS Key Management Service, KMS. An overview of AWS KMS, a service that enables you to create and manage encryption keys for encrypting your data. You'll learn about KMS features, key policies, and best practices for data encryption. 4. AWS CloudTrail. An introduction to AWS CloudTrail, a service that enables you to monitor and log AWS account activity. You'll learn about CloudTrail features, log file integrity validation, and best practices for monitoring AWS activity. 5. AWS Config, an overview of AWS Config, a service that enables you to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources. You'll learn about config rules, compliance checks, and best practices for maintaining compliance. 6. Data Security Best Practices. Best practices for securing your data on AWS, including encryption, access controls, data masking, and regular security audits. 7. Compliance, an overview of AWS compliance programs and certifications, including GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, and how AWS helps you meet these compliance requirements. 8. Case studies. Real-world case studies of organizations using AWS security services to secure their big data solutions, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for data security and compliance and be able to implement best practices to secure your big data solutions on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.